Hey everyone, Happy Dude here, and I want to make a very quick video about this drone from Thomson. It's the D25, and on the box it says 4K. Believe me, it does not have 4K. It has optical flow, but it doesn't really work. It has a double camera, that's true, but they are very bad. 90-degree adjustment and gesture photo. Now, my review is very bad because I already lost it. That's right, so I cannot show it to you guys. But it's about the same size as the remote, or as big as your hand, so it's a mini drone. It's very light and also very cheap. It's about $100. I got it for free. I would never buy a drone. It's very fun, but I don't really have a use for it. Maybe in the future. Anyway, I tested it inside first, and it went up, and it was constantly going up and down, and there's no wind inside. So that was very weird. But it's a drone on GPS, so maybe it's better outside. So I went outside. Luckily there was not a lot of wind. But anyway, as soon as I got the drone up, it just floated away, and I went higher, and the drone just went down on its own, and lower and lower and lower, and I was trying to get back, so I turned it around, but it doesn't really turn, even though there wasn't much wind. And then it just went into the field, and there's a big ditch between the field and the place where I was standing, so I couldn't get it back, and I don't have any video footage of it, sadly. So yeah, not a very good drone. But what did you expect for this price point? A lot of people think that for that price that you can get a good drone. No, forget that. Even for $200 they are better, but no, they're not as good as, like, say, one from $600 or $1,000. My friend has one for $2,000, and yeah, I was impressed. That was a very good drone. Very stable, very easy to fly. So there really is a big difference. Yeah, so more expensive is usually better. And the instructions were also saying that you could fly this drone for 12 minutes. That's also not true. It's realistically 5-6 minutes. Now, this drone can also send a video signal to your phone live. It's with a Wi-Fi signal, but it's really bad. The frame rate is really bad. So you see a picture on your phone, but the drone is already 10 meters further than what you're actually seeing, so it's very easy to crash with it. And I already lost the signal after I think 50 meters, and it should do 150 meters. That's what it said in the instructions, but it also said it would be 4K. Yeah, right. Believe me, it's not 4K. It's not even full HD. So I think the message is clear. Don't buy this drone. As a matter of fact, don't buy any cheap drone. I think to have a decent drone you have to spend at least $300, I think. So to get a decent drone, you have to spend at least $200. But also don't expect too much from that. Like if you want real 4K footage with 60 frames and a very stable drone and a camera that can zoom and that you can operate with your remote and a coming home function on its own and a following function and more than 500 meters of range with a flight time of more than 20 minutes, you will have to spend more than $500. Small, cheap drones like this one just fly away with the wind like a feather. And they don't have enough power to fight against the wind to come back, they just go where the wind takes them. So I don't get why people are giving this positive reviews on YouTube and say that it's the best. It's clearly not.